So to create the intersection for our preliminary road, we're going to select both corridors simply by using our control key and picking them both. We'll right click and select create intersection. We'll give it a name, we'll just call it intersection 1 and click apply. So it's created our intersection here, and what we need to do next is go to our Project Explorer. We'll go to intersection. It will expand intersection, and what we're going to do is we're going to right click on intersection here and go to properties. We're going to take off the vertical adjustment, and we'll set our main road as our parent corridor for the road. We'll then go to our connection 1 to 2. We're going to change the horizontal type to just a simple radius, and our turn radius is going to be 30. So we're going to click out of that. We'll leave this the way it is. We'll then right click on that, select copy properties, and then go over to connection 2 and 3, and we'll paste in those properties there. Okay. So by doing that, it's adjusted those, it's gotten rid of that flag for us, and now you can see that we've got the intersection for those two roads. Now as far as the ties, we'll come in and we'll adjust those later. We have basically here we're in a fill situation, which is fine. We can project that out. Same thing over there, we're in a fill. Over in this side, we're going to have a ditch. We're going to have to transition it into a fill. But again, we'll deal with that when we get to more of our final design, final grading. But that right there gives us our preliminary road and surface. So what we can do is we can then do a analysis, cut fill analysis. We can merge or tie in the three surfaces to get an overall ballpark of our entire cut fill for this particular project.